Is your Google Pixel not fast charging? Charging feels slow? Or you're not seeing charging rapidly on the screen? Don't worry, this video will walk you through simple fixes to restore fast charging on your Pixel phone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check the cable and the charging port. Fast charging only works with compatible chargers and cables. Make sure you're using a USB-C power delivery fast charger and a high-quality USB-C cable. Try a different cable and adapter to rule out faulty accessories. Dust and lint inside the charging port can block proper power delivery. Power off your phone and gently clean the port using a soft brush. Avoid metal objects to prevent damage. Solution 2. Turn off charging optimization. Go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap Battery. Then tap Battery Health. Next, tap Charging Optimization. Now turn off Charging Optimization. This feature can intentionally slow charging to protect battery health. Solution 3. Update your Pixel software. Open Settings on your Pixel device. Scroll down and tap System. Then tap Software Update. Next, tap System Updates. Now check System Updates. Install any update available. System bugs can cause widespread app crashing, and updates usually fix the charging issue. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Pixel tips and fixes, and comment below if fast charging is working again on your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.